Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Nick from Simple TV, and today we're reviewing the LEGO Ideas Fender Stratocaster set number 21329. This set comes with 1,074 pieces. It's an 18 plus set and it costs 150 Canadian dollars. It comes in a red and black color. There's 6 numbered bags, with 1 is unnumbered, and there is 2 sticker sheets. Overall, looking at the review of this set, we can see that it comes with a foldable guitar stand, a foot winch, and an amp with details of the motherboard when we open the amp up. I'm impressed with this set, and I like that they included the choice to switch the guitar colors from red to black and black to red. I personally, for this set, enjoy the guitar in a red color. I also like that they included the guitar pick as a little extra detail, which is always nice to see in a Lego set. This guitar pick in this set we can see is the blue teal color at the top of the guitar. They also give you choices to choose which guitar pick you want, being from yellow or purple and then the blue. Overall, this is an easy build, even if it's an 18+ set, which kind of surprised me. That summarizes this video. Make sure to go review the last video on the 1969 Lego Technic Camaro build. With all of this being said, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment whether you own or are planning to own this amazing guitar set.